Gonna take a walk outside in the afternoon and watch the butterflies go spinning around. I think I'll find some spiky branches to climb up on and get a new perspective of the ground. But maybe it's too cloudy out and the weather might be a little bit iffy, but it would be a real big pity if it didn't move. I've been waiting for the day to come patiently, but waiting's not for me, 'cause today's as good as any. And yeah,